I can't tell me see 5,000 people. Tap up the screen and share up live. Tap up the screen and share up live. Tap up the screen and share up live, people. Tap up the screen and share up live. 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 I want to see 5,000 people yesterday before me talk. And you look about the boy, Jalen. Don't deal me back as long as you live. Hey, that little boy.
Give me your friend, bro.
Don't, because nyam out them other batty boy. Me ain't no friend. You're a batty boy. You want to look instigator. And you're wicked. And you want to look liar. And you're crook. I mean, I want to send me no request as long as you live. Don't call me phone, batty boy. Avoid me like a suck catches boy. And that's me make you know. I mean, don't date me as long as you live. Batty boy. Avoid me. You know where you do, batty boy. You think you can bring me down? Hey, batty boy. You're like a crosses and mama man. Batty boy. And I'm in the panel laughing thing with a batty boy. And my life in a danger because I wanna. Because they expose my picture. I'm done. Alright. Because show you something. Alright. Listen to me. Listen to me. Done. I'm not argue with them like a batty boy. Just want to see 5. People tap up the screen and share up live. Tap up the screen and share up live. Tap up the screen and share up live, people. Tap up the want to see 5,000 people that's before me talk. Alright.
How them do you?
I like a batty boy. I don't want to argument with me. And your views, me there contact right now. You can't go on for now. Because when we get the 5,000 views, me go remove your batty boy. And your views more come up on my live. I mean, go sneer out them other batty boy. And don't go sneer out them other batty boy. And don't did me. Tell me on the start screen record. Tell me on the start screen record. Pepper sauce, you there? Pepper sauce. You there, pepper sauce? Alright, 5K. Pepper sauce there. People, let me tell you this, yeah. Me I'm pretty than a friend. Pretty than a my friend. Me I'm pretty than, me know I pretty than live. Pretty than a me dog. Me I'm pretty than now, no, a lie my tell for me. You see me paper? And me and him a pranky people. Me the pranky people. And me know say my link with squash them. And royal dog them. And that's here my post royal dog, bumbo clot. Call him and they check on him. And them a try cancel me paper. You see me? We a pranky paper. Look in that video. Me gonna play a video right now. Which by another video you Blamdem have a fire, have a matic? Which pretty lad, bro? He might try cancel me, bro. He might spice them and all of them. And they try tell lie on Nicki Minaj paper. Alright, paper. If you no can watch the video, me have one phone in my hand. You see me paper? Me Blamdem have a phone in my hand. All the hell me dey on phone with Nicki Minaj. I record me they record him. Paper, tell me now. Florida is a firearm state. Everybody legal if you have a matic. If you go on somebody property, bro, without them consent, them can bust, they can lick a shot in your blood clot and not come out tight. So if I name prank with me and Pretty Dan, I not do me nothing. Eh? You not cancel me dirty Pretty Dan. You can't cancel me. You look a thinking girl. Me never paper in my blood clot royal like a friend. And then plan for me. And he tell me, say, come we pranky people. And when they come for pranky people, he come back and tell like, and never tell me that Pretty Dan. Me done with you. Me think you are my friend, little dirty girl. And me find out say I know my friend, Junko. Dog shit. Eh? Look your paper. See my clip. See my clip up on my end. When me grow in a yard. So when me grow in a yard, yeah. If he phone we see in my hand, a video, bro, for prank. You see me? Video me a video. See it, yeah? I made this here video in a paper. Look here. Video me anima video. Video me anima video. You see me paper. I me a video. So I tell her about me the phone with Nicki Minaj. Eh? Tap call you man name paper. Let me tell her what cause the problem. Bro, paper. Oh, all along when me I get trouble on TikTok and on internet. Nobody name want cancel me. Boys, Nicki Minaj start give me and things start going for me. Me come out #1 yesterday. Me a company US. Everybody get bad mind. You all of them a get bad mind paper. A bad mind, you all of them get bad mind paper and I try cancel me paper and they call you man name. I tell her a lie pan the woman. I lie them I tell pan the woman paper. All the hell me dey pan phone with the woman. Are you dey pan the phone with the woman Pretty Dan? I hear Nicki Minaj Japan phone, dirty girl Pretty Dan. Nasty thinking crutches Pretty Dan. Where they said it, look at, hear him. Look where vlog of them when give you post I say. It's alleged the person on the monitor is Blamdem at Pretty Dan residence while on the phone with Nicki Minaj. All the hell me dey on phone with Nicki Minaj but me a video yaso. A video me the video yaso in a paper. Or me dey on phone with Nicki Minaj Boy, me a video. How the hell me got the pan phone with Nicki Minaj, but me a video? Eh? See that video, me a video, you know. Cause me a video, cause I prank, we a prank. Look your paper. Look on a video you now. When say, I me the pan phone with Nicki Minaj. Look, you see phone me having in my hand. When you realize the pan the video when me just show a while ago, if phone done in high ground. Eh? Which part of video you see me dramatic? You see me dramatic pan the video? I lie I tell. Eh? I lie blood clot crosses I tell. The take no blood clot. But near out to no mama. I mean I can't address back. No. Go on a station, pretty than you know my name. All police are gonna lock me up. Eh? You two blood clot like drunker. All police are gonna lock me up. Ain't dog shit. All police are gonna lock me up. Eh? In America this year. The police are gonna lock me up already. This morning me I got blood clot go did something. You have to blood clot lie, dirty girl. Cause near out your mother pretty than. You want to look a liar stinking bitch. You have to bumbo clot I'm done with you, bro. Cause me can't believe say you tell me say you're real like a friend and you're real like a friend. Ask anybody at Florida. Real like pull gun pan pretty than a party. Ask anybody at Florida. Who live at Florida did it when real like pull gun pan pretty than? Eh? Who comment and tell me. Who remember when real dog pull gun pan pretty than? Who remember? Eh? Who remember when real dog pull gun pan pretty than? Who remember that? Alright, see people are saying me there. So how you not gonna report that to police? Eh? How you not report popcorn to police? Eh? I cancel the girl want cancel my paper. So now if you listen to me, you not gonna listen to me that me are pretty than. Which one you gonna listen to? Eh? Pretty than have a matic. Pretty than having gun. Pretty than is American green card residence holder. Pretty than have a gun. So if me go up on pretty than property without film consent, he could have shot me. Because he a prank. And he can cancel me, bro, because I'm a real lad, my friend. And then take me for you that I mean know. Hey, girl, move your blood clot from you so you can't trick me. Thinking, girl, and thinking real lad them. Move your blood clot from you so I'm going to name out your mother. Me done with you. As long as you leave no call on my phone, I go block you off on my phone. Me, I go block you off on my phone, pretty than. Me, Blamdem, I go block you off on my phone. Go name out your mother. You look a liar, drunk, you. You think you can cancel me dog shit? I tell her a lie on the woman. Paper. You see woman I can't tell lie about me the on phone with Nicki Minaj when me go there. But it's as alleged that Blamdem on phone with Nicki Minaj. Drunk, tell the people them say, yeah, and the woman the on phone. Yeah, and the woman the on phone and the whole we a friend. I'm here, where they may go keep federal for Shibada. And you come and come set me up. Me done with you, bro. Because you can't cancel me off the internet. Because me no want the on internet. Me come here for fun. Me not take the internet that serious. If me don't take the internet serious, me would show me face. Eh? How the hell me go up on internet? Me can't really take this either TikTok is serious. For sure, me not even take TikTok serious. Me not even show myself. For sure, how me not take TikTok serious. I don't care about TikTok, bro. TikTok is not that serious for me there. I go on nobody yard. I give you my freedom for look a platform. Eh? For look a hype. Eh? How the hell me go? First thing, how me they go somewhere on the video. Me can't go up and works on the video. Me can't go up and works and now wear mask. Eh? Me can't go up and first thing. How the hell me go up and works for the mission and have a mask. Uno to bumbo clad duns. Anybody that build pretty than, we believe pretty than to bumbo clad duns. How the hell me go up and work? Pretty than set up this to expose my picture, bro. Uno not even say dog, uno hear that pan ya, bro. I cry me all day, I cry to dog. Uno hear that pan ya, bro. Uno to bumbo clad duns. How the hell me go up on mission and I wear mask? Eh? How the hell me go up on mission to do man things and have a mask? Uno to bumbo clad duns and fool. Uno to duns. All big thinking pink wall. More report pink wall. Pink wall, I must say a fuck pretty than. Eh? Where you gonna tell her me for? Bumba, me get a violation paper. Or me go up and works and now wear mask. Eh? Paper. Real dog and pretty than set up this to expose my picture. You see me can't tell me say if you run a prank, if you get a comeback. Watch a paper. Look here, me and him planning paper. Listen to the voice note here. Me go sure say me and him planning. Listen to the voice note here, paper.
You help me make 3 grand by a month for done. This a month.
Me go expose everything.
Me no know.
Listen to the voice note there.
Me no know, dog. You look how long you say I go send some sitting to your dress already. Fool, you take me for another.
Oh, you take me a chopper, me take me a chopper.
Ask him, no.
Listen to that.
Me expose everything. 3 grand by
what are we have done? What are we have done?
What kind of trouble me?
What are we have done?
Just
All
do
of we
the
are good
right
on,
thing.
drunk.
You see me I say?
What are we are good
I
on?
forget that.
All of we are good on.
Yeah, just
What are we are good on?